Hi everyone, it's Liam from the Blackpool Honda dealership. Hope you're all okay. And today I've got a quick video walk around of this petrol Kia Sportage. Now of course this is the edition 25 and it does come with LED headlights, LED fog lights, 4 front parking sensors and a front facing camera. You also get these brilliant 17-inch diamond cut alloy wheels as standard as well. I will go into each and every alloy just so you can get an idea of the design pattern on each and every alloy. But walking around to the rear, you have also got 4 rear parking sensors. You've also got a nice little reversing camera just up at the top there as well. Of course, we come into the tailgate area. You'll notice that we do have plenty of room in here. We've also got 60-40 split flat folding rear seats, and the seats do fold flat with the boot floor. On top of that, you've also got a multi-layer boot floor, which as you just saw then does slide in to the bottom just to create even more space for the tailgate. As you can see, it does just slide back in nice and easily. Walking around the car again, just showing you the rear alloy just here. In the back of the car now, we've got the part leather part cloth interior with Isofix mounting points down at the bottom. We've got your full electric windows all round. We've also got heated rear seats in this car as well. We're jumping inside the front of the car now. As you can see, we've got your electric handbrake with auto hold in the middle. We've got your 360-degree view, as which you can see just there. Parking sensor switch, and then we've also got your downhill brake control just there. 6-speed manual gearbox. You've got 2 front heated seats as well with your heated steering wheel. Dual climate control as well, and then we do have your touchscreen display in the middle, as you can see just here. We've got your various audio sources, radio stations and sources just here. So we've got AM, DAB and FM. We've also got Bluetooth audio as well. Satellite navigation, as you can see just there. Well, moving over to the steering wheel, we have got your volume control and your track select with your voice control and your Bluetooth hands-free. On the right hand side, we've then got your cruise control on the right hand side just here. If I'm correct, you do also have a speed limiter as well. Moving up to the top here, we've got automatic headlights. We've also got automatic windscreen wipers. And as you can see, this car has only done 26,396 miles. Jumping back outside the car now, just showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do of course require any further information on this Kia Sportage, don't hesitate to get in contact with our dealership and one of our sales team can provide you the personalised video. We thank you for your time and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Honda.